Here's something pretty weird. Ingersoll Lockwood was an American diplomat, lawyer, and fiction writer in the late 1800s, though some of his books have recently resurfaced due to some pretty unsettling parallels to current events, specifically a series he wrote featuring a protagonist by the name of Baron Trump. In the book, Baron Trump is a precocious troublemaker who brags about how much smarter he is than everybody else. In the series, he lives in a building named after himself he calls Castle Trump. He's also mentored by a character named Don and goes on an adventure that begins in Russia. The similarities continue in another of Lockwood's books called The Last President. In this novel, a political outsider from New York unexpectedly becomes president. The election leads to protests in the streets and ultimately the downfall of the American Republic. Also in the book, Baron Trump is actually a time traveler. In the book, there's even a reference to a hotel on Fifth Avenue in New York, where Trump Tower happens to be located. Now, many are saying that this is proof that the Trump family have connections to time travel, but this is where it gets weird. Donald Trump's uncle, John G. Trump, was a respected MIT scientist. After Nikola Tesla died in 1943, John G. Trump was asked by the US government to review Tesla's confiscated papers and determine if they contained anything dangerous or revolutionary, and that part is historically documented. He claimed to not have found anything of importance. But what if he really did? We know that Tesla believed that time, energy, and relativity could be manipulated in ways we still don't yet understand. Is it possible that John Trump did find something, but kept it to himself?